In this video we shall see how to use the markup tools in Bluebeam. There are a variety of markup tools which are useful to help us annotate our document. It has a circling tool, highlight tool, clouding tool. You have tools to sketch up new details. It also allows you to add symbols and notes to your document. You can also add stamps to mark your document as being reviewed, approved, or expired, and a variety of other things. So to start the markup tool, you can go to this markup menu, click it. So on the top side here, you shall see the variety of markup tools. This is the text annotation tools. You can use the typewriter tool or the text box in order to add a text document to your drawing. So here, for example, I type in something. This is a document, and now using the zoom in, I can zoom in, and using the properties, I can change the fonts of this text, and it's also possible to increase the width like this. Once I'm satisfied with the size of the document, I can click out and then zoom out to the document. So this is text that you have added to your document using the typewriter. There are other markup tools, like a note tool is useful usually if you want to add a big, a longer text, and that is useful, without cluttering your document. You can add longer text. For example, this document is meant to be used for the purpose, whatever purpose. You can write that, and after you finish, you close it. So you see that there is only a small mark here, and you don't see so much of the text that I have written. Whenever I need, I can click that document, and the notes appear later on, or whenever you need it. So that is a good way of not cluttering your document, but still add the necessary details that you want to add. Here we have a flag tool. Usually the flag tool, you use it when you want to draw attention to a particular area of your document. For example, you want to add some information like this has to be improved, and then once you are done, again you can increase the size of this flag. You can rotate it the way you like and indicate, for example, wherever improvement is required, you can add a flag like that. So we have seen the text tools and the flag tool. We have also lines, different kinds of lines you can draw here. A horizontal line, you can draw a horizontal line like that. If you draw a horizontal line using the shift key, you can rotate it at different angles, and when you let go, it forms a straight line like that. We also have a dimension. This one, dimension, it is a useful markup tool. You can, for example, draw a dimension between these two. What it does is, once you draw this dimension tool, it allows you to add text. Like I can add now, I can increase the fonts of the whatever I have written. So you see, I've created this dimension tool and indicated what that represented. This is the width. You can add numbers if you want, but it doesn't actually apply a length to the measurement. It just allows you to type in whatever comments you want. It gives you the dimension line, but then it is up to you to add whatever information you want to add to it. Additional markups include things like rectangles, ellipses, polygons, clouds, and you can also add image if you want. You can add image. So select the image you want to add, open it, and then drag, place it wherever you want to add the image. There you see an image is added to your document. Finally, let me show you how to use the stamp tool. The stamp tool, there are already a lot of inbuilt stamps tools, but if you want, you can also create your own stamp. So it's just a matter of selecting that stamp and placing it. It is dynamic. It is a dynamic tool. As you can see, the date as well as the time of the stamping is added to the stamp. So it is a dynamic tool. So there are different tools which you can use to give a lot of meaning to your drawing as you share this drawing with other team members.